name is Molly, and Pop happens to be at work. So, today they're drilling the well. You can probably hear it. It's very loud. So, it's way back there. Way back there. But anyway, so we are very, very excited. Can't wait to get water on the property. This is going to be awesome. But I also wanted to, while I'm here, go over some of the stuff that we've done, which is, in the grand scheme of things, kind of not a lot, but it was a lot of man hours. So we have, I know the last time that I put a video in, we only had one area full of dirt, and now we have a lot more dirt put in here. Dirt that we put in, we brought in about 60 loads of dirt. 50 or 60, I can't remember, it's a lot. But we have all of this over here, right here put in, and then there's kind of a road right there. That's a road right there. Like, not meant to be a road, but there's sand there. And it's a good thing we put the sand there because that's where they needed to put the trucks for the well, and without that they wouldn't have been able to put the well in because of the all this mulch. See all this? That's from the forestry mulcher. And so the forestry mulcher just comes in as a big grinder, and they just grind down everything that's real small, and they leave the bigger stuff, they go around it. And so those are the trees that we had to have taken out, but which got burned. And that was kind of a bummer. I wish we would have kept them now, but it is what it is. So anyway, I wanted to show you, look at our big old pile of wood from some of the trees that I cut down and cut into firewood, and I'm going to be making a firewood stand for that, which I started but didn't get a chance to finish because it started raining. Then it flooded where I was making them, so the wood was wet, and then so I couldn't actually get it done. But I also want to show you this. This is Triax, and what we're going to be doing with this, here, let me give you a better view of it. This is what it looks like. It's a bunch of triangles all together, and what that does is we're going to put it on top of all this sand, this fill dirt, and then we're going to put gravel over the top of it. The triangles in the Triax actually stop the rocks from sinking into the dirt or into the clay or any of that kind of thing. So that's kind of awesome. It's going to save us a lot. And obviously there's our pile. We have some kind of like a couch bed thing that Papa, my dad, put in there for he took it out of his RV and put it in here. And there was an incident with the dogs. They one of the dogs decided to dig on the couch, and so it became unstuffed. So we put it on the burn pile. And anyway, so yeah, we have these are going to be our aerobic septic, and that is a whole nother video. I don't know how that's going to go. That is a Pop area of expertise. He's studied on it and learned a whole lot about that. He's excited to get that in. And then, so I don't know if you can tell, we have sand all the way, or fill dirt all the way to back there, right back there, and then we have, it goes all the way out to that power pole and to the road, and then over. And anyway, so then we have it all the way up towards the chicken coop and the tractor, and then all the way over to where we originally wanted the well, but we changed our minds because that's a lot of PVC that we would need to get water to the RVs, which are over here with me. So that is probably, I don't know, 150 feet, 200 feet. That's a long way. So we decided not to do that. And I'm keep chopping off my head. I'm not very good at this. It's very exciting to get all this stuff going, and I'm excited to get out, moved out here. So I can't wait to get off the highway, because we're right now, the RV park that we live in is off the highway, and it'll be nice to be able to come out here and let the dogs just run rather than having to have them on leashes. They're not fond of it. I understand nobody wants to be tied down, right? I get it. And I don't like doing it. So I'd rather have my dogs run around and play in the yard. Anyway, I'm going to put in here some of the video that I got of them putting in the well. I have a camera over yonder, and once that's done, I can edit it into this so you guys can see the well, and I'll probably do that as a time lapse. So that's going to be kind of super fast. So right now they're checking to see what kind of material is coming out of the hole, to see if they're in sand yet, because they have to be in the sand to get to the water. They can't be in the clay. So at least that's the way I understand it. Okay, I just talked to the guy, the owner, and he said that they're at 165 feet already, and they haven't even been here, 2 hours. They got here just before 8. It's 9 o'clock now, so hour and 30 minutes, something like that, and they're already at 165 feet, which is really, really fast. But I want you to see something. So see that hole? There is, that material on there is clay, and they have to be in sand before they get to the water. So right here, they're testing or looking to see what the composition of the soil that's coming out of the hole is, whether it's sand or clay or silt or whatever, and because there's a specific type of sand that they have to have in order for the well to be in a good place. Look at the butterfly. They don't want water coming out the top, so they're bungee cording it, and they want the water coming out this pipe here. Okay. Oh, there, look. We have water. Look, we have water coming out. Oh, Okay, so why are you guys smelling it?
Yeah.
Why are you smelling it?
Just to make sure there's no sulfur or anything like that.
Oh look, it's coming out really clean.
It'll get better.
It's coming out super clean now. Look at it. Well, they're drinking it. It must be okay. They're not dead yet. Is this not like totally satisfying for you guys? I mean, I'm sorry. This has to be one of the most satisfying jobs ever.
Me and him were just talking about it. People that don't do this for a living, it's a weird concept. Bringing water out of the ground.
I just think it's freaking awesome. It has to be like, we go home and you go, dude, we did it. Every day. Right?
They're all different. Every one of them different. I've been doing it over 35 years. They're all different. That is a hell of a whale.
Is it? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's one of the best.
That's one big rabbit.
Very proud.
Awesome.
We fill them for the oil field, they gotta have 100 gallons a minute. That would satisfy the oil field, no problem.
Nice. My husband will be tickled pink. He wanted to be here. We thought y'all were going to be here yesterday, so he took off an extra day. And then he said it was going to be today, and he's like all bummed out. So he's been texting me back and forth like, how far are they? What does it look like? I said, I've got that. I'm videoing the whole thing. You can watch it when you get home.
If you drink it, you taste it. It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I'm going to try the water. Oh, hell yeah. That's better than bottled water.
Oh.
We have water.
You have water.
That's exciting. Oh, it's coming out the thing too.
A lot of air pressure. We'll let that keep running for a while we clean up. And get this moved out of the way. Get the concrete poured around it and we'll be done.
Good deal.
We'll come back tomorrow or whenever he got it scheduled to put the pumping tank on.
Okay. And so y'all went 230 feet? Oh, 240, excuse me, sorry.
Like I said, everywhere's different. I drilled them 20 foot, I drilled them 5 foot. We have 2 rigs. The other rig that we have, I drill on how many drillers on that one. This rig has been around since the 50s.
Yep.
Still going this strong.
That's what he was telling me, yeah. That his grandfather built it.
Grandpa started the business, and then his stepdad bought it from his grandpa when he was 30. And then Mitch, my father-in-law, bought it from his stepdad when he was 30. And I started here when I was 30.
Nice. So did you get to see the water squirting out yesterday? You missed it. It was freaking awesome. No, you don't understand. This was like no, but this one was like the grand finale of all, right?
This one was different. It was yours.
Right?
Yeah.
But it was awesome.
It was a good one.
And the guy with the bald head and the long hair, bald head, he comes over and tells me about the oil wells, or the oil companies would be proud of this one. And I'm sitting there, I told Steven, I said, I got it on camera. He actually said it. He said, that's going on. It was awesome. I told Steven it tasted better than bottled water. He said, wish I could have been there to try it. Piper, why are you laying in the water, girl? Piper, what are you doing? Shelby, you guys get tired from running around? Did you get tired from running around? Oh, Shelby. Shelby, look at me. Shelby. Shelby. Shelby.